from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my... First things first, I'm tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think. That I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak in my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my